How hard was that to do?
It was easy.
Gorgeous. Yeah, looks good against your.
You made it easy. Thank you.
Only guy in the class. Let's see it again. He's finishing up. Make sure their greens are pointing up.
Greens are pointing up. That's my problem is my greens.
Yeah, pointed up means this. Dark side up. Barely peeking out. Nice. Take it. Pick up your bouquets, girls, and say, "Viva la France."
Viva la France. Bonjour.
Enchanté. How was it? How hard was that to do? Point them right at me. These are gorgeous. Ooh, look at that one.
Not really.
Yeah, no, they're
I
good.
think you did. Thank you.
Spectacular.
I'm ready for my next class.
The other new girl of the day said it was easy. And you said that was easy too, huh? You're a good florist. You're a good little designer. And here we have 3 more standing on its own stem. She did.
Beautiful.
Very nice. Beautiful. Congratulations. That's really good. Don't forget to spray them, everybody. Flower School 101. Join us.